Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard. In this very important video, we will discuss 15 most important current affairs from March 13 to March 19. Let's start. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Mike Pompeo has become new Secretary of State of USA. So the new Secretary of State of USA is Mike Pompeo. He has replaced Rex Tillerson. Till now, Mike Pompeo was the director of CIA. Now CIA is a foreign intelligence agency of USA, like India's RAW, Research and Analysis Wing. Gina Haspel, the deputy director of CIA, has become the CIA's first woman director. So this is an important point and it can come. So Secretary of State is like foreign minister of like we have foreign minister in India, which is right now Mrs. Sushma Swaraj. So he's like that. Second point is India's trade deficit has narrowed to 12 billion. This figure is important in February, lowest in 5 months. Okay, so what is trade deficit? Trade deficit is the difference between exports of the country and imports into the country. So when this figure comes negative, it means imports are more than exports. Then we say trade deficit. Okay, trade surplus is the opposite when exports are more than imports. Third is Rural Electrification Commission has unveiled an issue of $300 million through 10-year dollar-dominated bonds carrying an interest of 4.625. Now, what is a dollar-dominated bond? It is like the principal or the loan amount and the interest payment will be in dollars whenever you pay it. So these are dollar-dominated bonds. Now, India win the Nidhas T20 Tri-Series cricket, beating Bangladesh in final. This was held in Colombo, Sri Lanka, and Sri Lanka was the third team. So Dinesh Karthik did a splendid job, played very well and won the match for India, hitting 6 of the last ball. Now the fifth one is the President of India, Shri Ramnath Kovind, inaugurated the Festival of Innovation and Entrepreneurship. So you should know the full form: Festival of Innovation and Entrepreneurship. FINE is an initiative to recognize, respect, showcase, reward the innovation. So it's in the field of innovations and you can say science and technology, to promote the innovations, and being organized by Rashtrapati Bhavan, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, and the National Innovation Foundation. So the full form is important. Now, sixth, in a relief to citizens, Supreme Court has indefinitely extended the deadline for linking Aadhaar with mobile phones. Till now the deadline was 31st of March 2018 and now it has been indefinitely extended. Niti Aayog released comprehensive roadmaps and detailed timelines for initiatives, sustainable action for transforming human capital in education. So full form is important, very important abbreviation, and it is in education. You can find this out by E here. Okay, now this program is operational between 2018 and it's inaugurated in 2018 only, and the participating states, it's not all over India, but there are 3 states which are participating: Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha, which aim to become role model states in school education. So this is what the program is all about. So you should know the goal of the program, participating states, and the full form. Now, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi inaugurated 105th National Science Congress at Manipur University. So held in Imphal, Manipur. So this is important, the location is important, and 7th Women's Science Congress was also inaugurated here. Now, Government of India and Asian Development Bank today signed 120 million loan amount agreement. The figure is important here. And what is the goal? What is the objective? We will achieve double tracking and electrification of railways. So this loan agreement has been signed between the Government of India or the Ministry of Railways and Asian Development Bank. Now 2 points here. Where are the Asian Development Bank headquarters? They are in Philippines. And who is the president of ADB? It's Takehiko Nakao. So these two things you should remember. Now the 10th point is India to host 17th annual conference of International Competition Network 2018, ICN 2018, from March 21st to 23 in New Delhi. Location is important. Competition Commission of India's chairman Shri Devendra Kumar Sikri, very important, who is the chairman of CCI, has said that this is the first time India is organizing ICN or International Competition Network Conference. Okay, now why is it? ICN advocates the adoption of superior standards in competition enforcement. Okay, that there should be a healthy competition in the industry and no company or individual should benefit out of monopoly or creating artificial monopoly by killing the competition. Now 11th point is National Election Quiz, NEQ 2018. It was organized by Election Commission of India and it has become the feat of being the world's largest inter-school quiz on elections because of the huge participation. Now 12th point is Government of India is in the process of formulating a scheme Kisan Urja Suraksha Evam Utthan Mahabhiyan. So the full form here is very important. It will be asked in some exam or the other in 2018. And what is the objective? Installation of grid connected solar power. So these 2 points only, up to 2 megawatt the capacity. Now Ramayana circuit SB is one of the 15 thematic circuits, like we have Buddha circuit in Bihar. So just Krishna circuit is also there. So Ramayana circuit identified. So Swadesh Darshan scheme. So this circuit is identified in Swadesh Darshan scheme. 14 other circuits have also been identified and this scheme is by Ministry of Tourism. Right, so cities related to Lord Ram in some way or the other or mentioned in Ramayana are being developed. Okay, so Ayodhya, Chitrakoot, Sitamani are the cities. Prime Minister addressed the inaugural session of END TB related to tuberculosis, where TB comes tuberculosis, and the summit was held in in New Delhi. Prime Minister announced that India has set a target of complete elimination of TB by 2025. This one is very important. What is the target? So it can directly be asked. Now 15th, apex body for all nutrition related activities under the Poshan Abhiyan. So what is important here? The full form Poshan Abhiyan, PM's overarching scheme for holistic nourishment. Okay, and another point, India nutrition report shall be released every year by the government after detailed survey. So these 2 points are very important here. So guys, these are the 15 points. I have some more for you. World Consumer Rights Day was celebrated on 15th March 2018. So know the date. Then Mr. KK Venugopal, he was mentioned in 1 or 2 news. He is the Attorney General for India or of India. Now this one is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has recently announced the launch of program Laksh. LAQ is big. What is the aim of the program? This only is very important. Improving quality of care provided to pregnant women in labor room or maternity operation theatre, OT. So maternity services or maternity care has to be improved and this is the aim of this objective. So guys, please attempt the Oliveboard mock for government and banking exams. Download the Oliveboard mobile app and you can watch our latest video on regional festivals. Like, subscribe and share. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.